Tinubu must go! Tinubu must go! Whether Tinubu like make you remove Wike, make you not remove Wike, Tinubu is going after his first tenure. They have destroyed this country. Yes. And Oga, no vex. Tinubu no be our brother.
At all.
And Wike no be our brother.
Never. At all.
Nobody wey dey here we go vote for Tinubu. Nobody even vote for Tinubu in 2023. Na INEC. Na INEC. Na vote Tinubu there. So, but thank you very much for your very constructive and deep messaging to the outing here. When I came here, the last time we came here, that was on Sunday, right?
Yes.
We met, because you think that the park is for you alone, it's not for you. We met some 3 white guys. They are from Sweden. They said when they arrived at Abuja, the first place they wanted to go to was a park. And when they saw us and they introduced me to them that we are fighting for the park, they said, please, don't let this park go down. They haven't stayed for 30 minutes and they've enjoyed themselves to the utmost level.
Comrade, they come here, 30 of them, they come here about 30
Everybody in the world. This is part of Nigeria's tourism center.
Yes.
And these people have nothing to add to the country, but always something to steal from the people. This Tinubu came to steal and destroy Nigeria. But we are not going to allow that to happen. You see, this is the reason why I call him a criminal. And he carried me go court. And the judge is trying to jail me. I tell him, say, you know if he jail me, now the thief where you supposed jail.
Now he carry me come.
Now make me call him criminal because him be criminal. Only criminals go see what belong to the poor and steal it. Only criminals do that. My brother is talking about yoga. If you know how many people yoga saves from stress, yoga, by the way, is one of the best ways to cure hypertension.
Yes.
But a lot of people don't know these things. But he comes here to give that treatment for free to a lot of people for less than nothing. When I was released in 2019, the first place I came to play table tennis is this park. And I sat beside the lake there and relaxed my brain. Because there's a thing to mental health when you are close to nature. So we must ensure that, because the moment they take this park over, they will cut all these trees. And they will turn this place into something you can never recognize again. And then they will build their houses and their hotels to come and turn your children to prostitutes in them. Even if it will take me going back to prison, we are not going to give up on this park. Now, this is the property of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We must recover it from them. The people they partition it for are private estate developers. Those people don't care about you. They are the same people who have already taken over the whole of Abuja and nobody is living in them. Empty houses. In Sowore alone, there are 5,000 empty buildings. And there are over 500,000 people who are homeless in Abuja. Why can't we take them to Sowore to be living? And they didn't build the houses with their money. It was the money they stole from you.
Our money.
The money they looted from the treasury is what they are using in building all these bogus houses. Every day they keep moving. One day they will be in Wuse, from there we move to Sowore. Their new place now is Guzape. Yes, all this, they are creating extension of poverty for the poor, extension of rich and wealth for the rich. Some of them are living on top of rocks. Still, they are not happy. And they will never be happy. They will never be happy until we are happy. We all deserve happiness, prosperity, and peace in this country. And let me say one last thing, which is very important. You see, this is where insecurity starts from. All these kids that are making money here, the moment you drive them from here, they go and join Boko Haram. Nobody needs to tell you that. Some of them who are in Boko Haram before decided to leave Boko Haram because there's something here to do. The moment you close down the opportunities they have, they will go and become kidnappers, they will become Boko Haram members, bandits. It is government policy that is creating Boko Haram and banditry.
Every day.
It is impoverization of the Nigerian people, the lack of employment and opportunities for little kids to go to school and find jobs. That is what is creating insecurity in Nigeria. But foolish people don't know.
Exactly.
They think that by giving guns to police, you can stop insecurity. No! The first way to handle insecurity is to bring about to share prosperity to everybody in the country. For a lot of people to have jobs and to be able to support their families and their extended family system. That's the way to have security. If you like, go and buy all the ammo tanks in the world. As long as there is poverty, there will be insecurity in Nigeria.
Exactly.
And they should know that this insecurity doesn't affect poor people alone. It's going to start getting to their doorsteps. You know that most of them cannot travel on the roads anymore. And even when they fly, between their houses and the airport, some of them still get kidnapped. But they will never learn. These foolish people will never learn. The final thing I'll say to you guys, this is also the reason why you should take politics very seriously. Stop voting for thieves in this country. Criminals, people who destroyed your past can never recover, can guarantee your future. Because you might be looking at us now and say, Sowore came here. I'm not here because I'm hungry. I came back from America to come and do this. I could be driving around on the streets of America, but I don't want to live in America anymore. I want to live at peace in my own country. I don't want to have a career being called a stranger in another man's country, no matter how beautiful it is. We are here to stop them. And we are not asking for help. We are asking for the restoration of this park to its original place and purpose. As a matter of fact, the park is not big enough for us. It needs to be expanded further. And we are using this park as the symbolic place to fight against Wike over every land that belongs to the public that he has taken over since he became the Federal Capital of Thieves Minister. It includes the reversal of the land he took at the University of Abuja. All the green areas that he took over, including the one that we went to see at Wuse Zone 6, where they have already even commenced buildings of real estate.
The hospital land.
Hospital land in a way that's supposed to serve over 1 million people. Wike has taken it over. So we came here today to start the sensitization. And to talk to you, especially the middle income or young people who are making a living out of here. And Nigerians who should have been here today, but because today is not Saturday, we are coming back on a Saturday. We want to give them 7 days ultimatum to demolish their wall. Are you listening to me?
Very well.
We are giving them 7 days ultimatum to remove any encumbrance that is interfering with park life. If they don't, Nigerians can take down the wall in our large numbers. We don't even need to use a hammer or scissors. If we all push the wall, it will fall. Yes. This wall was not even as strong as the wall of Jericho. And that one fell. If that one fell, this one can fall as well. And the moment 7 days expires, we will take action the Saturday after that. And if you are the developer, please be advised that you have just bought the land that the people of Yoruba call Ileorisha. The land that belongs to the gods. And they said anybody that buys the God's land can never rest. Come and stop your development and tell Wike to find you another land elsewhere. We are not giving up on this land. We will recover the land and convert it to use it for what it is meant for. It is not residential and it is not supposed to be a hotel. It's a park. This is park life. We have heard rumors that this land is divided between Wike and Sheyi Tinubu. Totally rumors, allegedly. But if any one of them has taken this land, we will find out. Whether if we use 10 companies to divide the land, we'll find out and we'll reveal your identity.
Exactly.
But we're also calling on those who might be working at the FCDA, the Federal Capital Territory Development Agency. If you have information about the people to whom this land is illegally shared,
Yes.
please pass it on to us.
Yes.
You can do it by DM on our social media platforms, so that we will reveal it to the public who these enemies of progress are in our country. We already have given too much to these people. Tinubu is living with his wife and maybe a few children in the place they call Sowore. It's bigger than this place.
Yes.
What do they want from the public again? They don't build public housing anymore in this country. But the few places where the public have opportunity to relax, they keep taking it. You know, they started this a long time ago. The place they call Festac in Lagos used to have parks where children could play. They took it over under the military. They are always after whatever the poor people have. That is always their interest. There are empty houses in Asokoro. They are not after those houses. They are building houses that poor people cannot live in. And after they finish building those houses, they will still be empty.
Exactly.
Greedy people.
Very greedy people.
They cannot provide electricity. They can't provide education. They can't provide health care. They are taking hospital land. They are taking school land. They are taking public land. Wike is not only stealing land for himself, he's stealing land for his children.
Yes, sir.
If you go to Buhari, we went to Buhari last weekend or 2 weeks ago, 2 weekends ago. They are shouting about how his children, not only did they take the land in Buhari, hear me out. The electricity meant for people of Buhari, they have diverted it to the company of Wike's children.
Imagine.
In Buhari, that's how wicked these people are.
Very wicked people.
So we are here to announce that 7 days is all we give Wike and Tinubu to come and pull down their useless wall. This is not going to happen while we are here in this country.
Yes.
And we always warn them, this country is ripe for a revolution. They don't know where we happen from.
Yes,
Oh my God.
The moment it starts from somewhere, they can't stop it.
Absolutely.
And they are not as many as we think they are.
No.
And they are not as many as we are.
Yes.
There are 200 million people in this country, of which over 5 million people rely on just, hand to mouth to make money to live around Abuja alone. You can't provide jobs for people. The little places where they make ends meet, you come and take it over. All these young people who are galloping with horses, this is how they make a living. Some of them even sleep around here because they don't have houses.
Yes, you are right.
Now you want to shut down everything and drive them out. That is why we are here. Revolution.
Now.
We can't hear you. Revolution.